What's going on, guys? CJ Flood here, and today we're going to be talking about Russell Brunson's Expert Secrets book and how it helped me generate over 6 figures just from that one book alone. Now, this book has been phenomenally powerful for me. It has literally changed everything, absolutely everything. My entire life changed off the back of this book and one other resource that I draw on all the time, which has just been absolutely game changer. Now, why did it change everything for me? You'll see inside of this book, there was a number of things that happened. One, that it allowed me to learn, understand, and start to duplicate the process of growing a mass movement, becoming an attractive character, casting a vision for my audience. Doesn't matter the size. Even if it was only 10 people, we all knew where we were going, how we were getting there, what we were doing. Now, I said that this book has generated over 6 figures for me. Now, what am I talking about? This book alone is responsible for so much of the reason why all of my ads converted for my clients, all of the fact that I landed clients, all of the fact that people bought through my affiliate link, all the fact that people joined my MLM. This book alone, because it has given me an ability to not be a commodity, not be based on price. It doesn't matter how much it costs anymore. I could go out and create a course and charge thousands upon thousands of dollars for it. I have the information, I have the knowledge, I have the skills, I have the stats, but I don't want to do that. Why don't I want to do that? Because I don't want to. With that, there comes a new set of problems that I'm just not ready to tackle right now. For me, this book has given me the ability to say no to the money over there that I could go and generate very easily and actually shift direction and stay focused and on purpose and on vision and create a movement around that and a group of people moving towards that. It has been absolutely mind-blowingly cool how that's done that. I'm talking about literally everything that we've done, from inside of my own agency where we're doing Facebook ads and chatbots, inside of my affiliate marketing business, inside of my MLM, inside of our other brands and personal development, brands. Like this book has been the absolute foundation for everything that we've done, because we're talking about creating a movement where it's this connection that happens between person and or business and attractive character and prospect or lead or client or customer. It's this relationship that gets built. It's how can I serve them and give them everything that they need, also at the same time actually get them to pay me for my services. This is the conversation that we're having, and this is the one that plays out inside of this. This book has also taught me how to sell. I mean, actually properly sell. It doesn't matter what it is. I can just about guarantee that I'll be able to outsell the average person just based around the framework that this book has taught me. It has given me frameworks and models to apply to any one of my businesses or even my client's business, so that I can instantly start pulling cash out much quicker. This is just a mind-blowingly cool thing. The process behind this book is it all starts and it all ends with the person on the other end, because they're people. Believe it or not, the person that is watching, listening, or reading this right now is a person. I know, it's crazy. I know we're talking crazy talk here, but that's the reality of it. For some reason, we get caught up in this whole marketing way of doing things, and we go, how do we create money? And I've got to constantly push stuff out and da 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 da. And no. This book has given me the ability to be able to say no to this stuff, be able to protect my time, look after where I'm going, make sure that I'm on purpose and I'm making stuff happen in the right way. Before I actually understood this book properly, I was off here, there, and everywhere. I was doing this, I was doing this, I was doing this, and I was all over the shop, and it's just a reality. This book, though, Expert Secrets, helped me come back into alignment and go, this is where I'm going, and I can do these things along the way, but this is where I'm going. This is the result that we're getting after. This is the thing that we're making happen. It's 2019 right now, and I was actually talking to my wife the other day, and I said to her, babe, I'm really just kind of out of nowhere had this flash thing. And she's like, oh, what is it? And I'm like, well, imagine what it'd be like if we could help people at a bigger scale. And she's like, yeah, well, I mean, that's where we're going anyway, and this is what we're doing, and we've got this in place, we've got that in place. I'm like, yeah. But imagine if by the end of 2019, we could help 1,000 new entrepreneurs create $1,000. Like, that's crazy. That's $1 million put into people's pockets worldwide. What would that be like? What would that ripple effect look like? How would that impact the world? Entrepreneurs are here to change the game. Business owners are here to change the world. This is what we're talking about. So if we can give people what they need to be able to make an extra $1,000, and we can give 1,000 people that is a movement that I can get behind. That is a cause that I can be focused on. That is something that we can move towards. And it's because of this book that I was able to identify it. And I was able to know how I'm going to get there. And I was able to know how the people are going to get there. I was able to know who those 1,000 entrepreneurs, those new business owners, those new hustlers, whatever you want to call them, I was able to know for a fact that they would be able to do it. So this all comes back to this book. This book has absolutely changed the game. It has given me the belief, the courage, the ability to stand here or sit here on camera right here, right now, and say to you that without this book, I would not have a business. Flat out. I cannot thank Russell Brunson enough for that. This book has changed my entire life, and it continues to change my life daily. It has changed my family's life. It has changed my son's life, my wife's life. It has changed my life. It has allowed us to travel. It has allowed us to do more. It has allowed us to have more. It's allowed us to experience more. It's allowed us to create more connection and fulfillment. It's allowed us to lead a movement of people. It's allowed us to build a team inside of our MLM, generating sales, moving towards a place of actually creating something unique and special, helping people globally. It has allowed us to do so much more. And it's all been because of this book, Expert Secrets. So guys, I cannot recommend this enough. Go and get Expert Secrets. The book itself is free. You just pay for the shipping. You just go and get it. It is absolutely a must-have if you want to be an entrepreneur of any kind, whether it be an affiliate marketer, an MLMer, in e-commerce, coaching, bricks and mortar, any sort of person that wants to generate money through their own business or side hustle or entrepreneurial venture or whatever else you want to call it. This book works for. It gives you the frameworks and the absolute skills that you need to be able to generate more money faster while serving your customers at a higher level. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you very soon. All right, bye.